Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Stiga Advantage Professional Table Tennis Tables. These tables are designed for serious players who want the best possible playing experience. They're made from high-quality materials and construction, and they offer a number of features that make them ideal for competitive play. Features. One of the things that I really like about the Stiga Advantage tables is their thick, 15mm tabletops. This makes the tables very durable and provides a great playing surface. The tables also have a multiple roller coat finish, which helps to reduce glare and improve ball control. Another great feature of the Stiga Advantage tables is their quick play design. These tables can be set up in just 10 minutes, which is perfect for busy people who don't have a lot of time to waste. The tables also have a convenient playback mode, which allows you to practice by yourself. Performance. I've had the chance to play on a few Stiga Advantage tables, and I've been really impressed with their performance. The tables are very fast and responsive, and they provide a great playing surface. I've also found that the tables are very durable and can withstand a lot of wear and tear. Conclusion. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Stiga Advantage Professional Table Tennis Tables. These tables are a great choice for serious players who want the best possible playing experience. They're made from high-quality materials and construction, and they offer a number of features that make them ideal for competitive play. Pros: thick, 15mm tabletops, multiple roller coat finish, quick play design, playback mode, durable construction. Cons: can be a bit expensive, not as portable as some other tables. Overall, the Stiga Advantage Professional Table Tennis Tables are a great choice for serious players who want the best possible playing experience. They're made from high-quality materials and construction, and they offer a number of features that make them ideal for competitive play. If you're looking for a table that will help you improve your game, the Stiga Advantage is a great option. Here are some additional details about the Stiga Advantage tables. The tables are made from high-quality plywood and MDF, which makes them very durable. The tables have a smooth, fast-playing surface that is ideal for competitive play. The tables come with a tournament-grade net and post set, which ensures that your game will be played on a level playing field. The tables are easy to assemble and disassemble, making them a great option for homes with limited storage space. If you're looking for a high-quality, professional-grade table tennis table, the Stiga Advantage is a great option. It's perfect for serious players who want the best possible playing experience.